In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion. To get started, open Notion and make sure you are on the main workspace screen, often called the Getting Started page. This is a good place to begin because it makes it easy to access your workspace settings. If you have more than one workspace, take a moment to confirm you are in the right one before importing, since your notes will be added there. Next, click your space name in the sidebar near the top left area of Notion. This opens the Workspace menu where you can manage settings and tools connected to your account. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Notion keeps important options like members, billing, and most importantly for this tutorial, importing content from other apps. Inside Settings, find and click Import. Notion supports imports from several platforms, so you will see a list of options. Choose Evernote from the list. Once you select Evernote, click Connect Evernote. This begins the secure connection process, so Notion can access your Evernote notes for importing. You will be taken to an Evernote authorization screen. Here, review what is being requested. If you see any account information displayed on the page, you do not need to read or share it. Simply continue through the authorization flow. On that screen, click the highlighted authorization option, then click Continue to proceed back into Notion. Now you will be back in Notion's importer, where you can choose what to bring over. Select your notes, such as a set number of notes shown in the list, and then click Continue. If you are importing a lot of content, keep in mind that larger imports can take longer, and it can help to stay on this page until the process begins. Next, choose the import location. This decides where your Evernote content will land inside Notion. Click Import Location, then select the team space or workspace area you want, such as a new team space. Picking the right location now saves time later and keeps everything organized from the start. After you choose the location, click Continue. Finally, click Go to Import to start the import process. Notion will begin bringing your Evernote notes into the selected space, and you can monitor progress as it runs. And that is all there is to it.